All right, so it's just to show you, I actually use the stuff I promote. So I'm using right now the Biolayne workout builder for my rebuild phase. So you can see here I've got the workout builder pulled up, mobile friendly. We now have my rebuild training, my training phase, my template on the workout builder. So just gonna go in here, choose your main lifts, and these are my main lifts. Name your program. All right, the rebuild, continue. I'm actually on week 2. We didn't get this up till week 2. So today, I'm on deadlift. So my first set is 1 set, 2 reps at a 2 RIR. You guys saw deadlifts were feeling awesome. Felt like I was really able to get my hips into it. Getting close to the bar, hit 445, felt good. Went up to 455, felt great. Now, a little something Andres wanted me to add in today that's not in the program, but he wanted me to put it in to work on my core tightness was 1.5 deadlifts. So I'm doing a half rep to the knee, holding there for a second, putting it back down, full rep, then the slow eccentric. So those for doubles. And those are awful. So hence the reason I'm out of breath for 2 reps. But you know, I definitely feel like they're gonna make a big difference on me, on helping me maintain my core tightness and the rigidity in my spine. My main lifts are fixed. I can't change those. But my accessory work I can change. So I don't have boxes available to me. I can get some, but Andres actually wanted me to use the trap bar. So if I select it, then I can choose different variations. Same exercise. I could do a rack deadlift, but I'm actually going to do a trap bar deadlift. So there you guys go. That was my deadlift workout today. As you saw, did quite a bit. Worked up to 455. Super happy with how that felt. My back was actually a little tight this morning and I was debating on whether or not to deadlift. But I did my walking, I did my McGill Big 3, and I did my warm up from Andres. And you know, I started working and my hips felt really good. Felt like I was getting my hips open really well, moving really well. I felt like I had a lot of stability in my lower back. And so I went ahead and decided to go for it and just make sure I didn't go over that RPE 7, and you know, 455, real smooth. You know, obviously still a long way to go. But you know, we'll take every day, one day at a time. Then moved on to those 1.5 rep deadlifts for doubles. Those are brutal. Andres has those in my program specifically to build that core stability and tightness. And you know, so basically halfway up, down, full rep, down, and do that twice. And man, those are tough. Those are tough. You want to make you feel like your face is going to explode. Those are great. And then finished up with trap bar deads. Those felt pretty good, but I was getting pretty fatigued by the end. It's very hot here today. We're in the middle of August in Florida. No AC, just a big fan. And as you can see, I was sweating pretty good. So, but I'm really happy with that workout. Really happy with those weights. And yeah, things are feeling like they're starting to click a little bit. So, you know, I'm just gonna take it as it comes, take it one day at a time, and right now I feel good. So we're gonna roll with it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want more information about my program, if you want to build your big three, but maybe you have some injuries or tightness where you're not able to do a lot of volume on the big three, that's squat, bench press, and deadlift, and you want to build hypertrophy, and you also want to build a lot of core stability, this new system of programming we have, my Biolayne rebuild on the Biolayne workout builder, check it out, give it a try. You can customize the exercises as you saw in the video to what you have available for yourself. It'll work in almost any kind of gym or even a home gym. And you can track your progress in there. And please, send me feedback. Leave me a comment if you guys are using the workout builder, especially the rebuild program. And let me know how you guys are liking it. So you can click the link below in the description, or I'll put an insert right up here in a card. Or is it here? I can never remember. And I'll catch you guys next week. Thanks.